Welcome back. Yeah, not a good day. Um, which is funny enough because I got a 250 point winner and I'm still red on the day, so I don't know what to do. I just feel like I have such a good read on the market, I swear. Like, I just feel like I know where it's going. I feel like I get in a lot of times, and my TP and my stop loss is just always just seems like to getting wicked out and stuff like that. It's just like right off the bat, I was bearish. I'm like, I just think we're gonna go lower. Just seemed like it, and then we retraced like above these, and we were at like 50% of the range and all this shit, and below the EMAs and bouncing off the 1 hour or whatever. So I took a short here at open when we started snapping back into it, and then it's like I get, or I don't know if you call this a wick out because it's like 40 points or so, 25 points, but I mean basically like that's top of day. I end up, so I get stopped out there for minus 500. I get back in here because I'm like, all right, we're going short. So I short, and then I add it in again. That's why you can see all these executions here. So it's like short, stopped out here. Short when we push back down here on this candle, and then I add in after we have this pump up and this, and then my stop was up here, but since I added in, I put my stop here, come up just to wick it, and then get stopped out, so I'm down 1,000. And then so I short here again because I'm like, I know we're going short. I add in here, I get out here, I get out here, I get out here, like, which is basically bottom of day, and then I short here. I was waiting for this, but like I was like, oh, we could sweep this, and the 15-minute range and stuff was like right here. So somewhere around this area I wanted to get in, and then like I didn't get in here. We had the pullback, and then once we wicked up again and then snapped back down, I was like, okay, I'm getting in now. I don't want to miss it. And then we have a good sell-off. My TP was originally 708.50, which was the low of the 5-minute candle. We just didn't get to it, and as soon as I saw the snap back up, I'm like, oh my god, I've seen this a million times. Like I've seen when we have a big move down, and then we build out a bear flag, and then we like break some of the lows, but not all of them, and we don't. This if we don't like basically sling this entire move back down immediately, we end up fucking chopping up, and that's what happened. So then we come back up, like, and I was literally like, I should close. I was green on the day from down 1,000. I would have been green on the day, but I don't want to trade my P&L, so I'm just trying to fucking stick with the trade. But then I'm like, well, should I just have my TP here? Was I greedy? Because I went for this 5-minute low here. I was going for this 5-minute instead of this 5-minute, but I don't know. And then we pull back. I add again in one last ditch effort to, and then I put two off there and then two off at my original because I'm like, oh, maybe we'll come back down to here. That's kind of my last chance, and then like, because even if maybe we want to bounce higher, we'll at least come back down to this low here, and I'll get out for at least half, and then so then when that happens, my stop is going lower and lower, so like, which is okay because and then my stop is here above this at like 50% or whatever, and that's my $500 loser. And now it's looking like we're gonna fucking wick it and continue lower again, which is just so bad. I just feel like I know where the market's going, and I just can't make any money with it. And I've just said that for months, and it's so hard to stay positive. I mean, I dragged myself out of $1,000 hole, even though I feel like I should have been in the $1,000 hole because I was fucking right. And then, I literally catch 250 points if you count all like my add-ins and stuff. Like from my first entry, I mean, of here, but then I added in so that it dropped it a little bit lower and stuff. But like, oh my god, it's just, I feel like every day is just bullshit. It's like, how many days can I be right but get wicked? Like, if this one isn't a wick out, this is a wick out for sure. Like, but I get stopped out by 10 points, not even. And in this market, 10 points is literally a half a second. Oh my god, and we're gonna fucking flush it. Oh my god. If we don't come back down to at least this low, I'd be shocked. But since I added in, Like that's where my stop was after the first one, and then I added in, and then my stop went to here, and then I added in, and my stop went to here, and then of course we have to come up one more time and just fucking touch it just enough to not take out this stop, and now we're back to my break even. Like what I should do is just fucking short this again right now, but it's such a bad idea because I'm angry. So, and I'm not going to, but it's just so frustrating. And then even in like the overnight session, I traded my one take profit trader account, which is this one here, and it's like what it was at 3 a.m. when I took the trade. It's like I shorted here. It's like I shorted when we came back up to 50% here. I shorted like on this candle right here. And then it's like, of course, we need one more push out to then dump the entire thing. Like, it just seems like I always have a good idea. Oh my fucking god. This is gonna be so awesome when we come down to that low. It's so brutal. It's just, I am the king of getting wicked out. The king of it. But, yeah, not a good day. I don't know. We'll be back tomorrow. That's all I really got. Take care.